Hi everyone, welcome to Stranger Cosmic Things. Today we'll talk about an extraordinary event that will happen in about 4.5 billion years. The collision between our galaxy, the Milky Way, and the Andromeda Galaxy. What is the Andromeda Galaxy?
What is
the
a black
Andromeda
hole?
Galaxy is the closest galaxy to ours, located about 2.5 million light years away. It's a spiral galaxy, just like the Milky Way, and it contains around 1 trillion stars. The collision. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. But don't panic. The stars within the galaxies are so far apart that they are unlikely to collide directly. Instead, the galaxies will merge, forming a new giant galaxy. And our solar system might be relocated to a new position within the resulting galaxy. Conclusion. I hope you found this journey into the cosmic future interesting. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more astronomical curiosities. See you next time.